So here we go. So we start with the sugar. And then the margarine, but obviously you can use butter if you wish. And now we have to cream the two together. You can do it manually or use a mixer if you wish. So I'll just start it off very gently. But it's easier with a mixer. Right, that should be creamed enough. So now for the eggs. Right now, so I'm going to add the 2 eggs that have been beaten. Here we go with the mixer again. There we are. It looks a mess, but it'll sort out, don't worry. Add the flour, self-raising flour, or self-rising flour, and whisk it with the water. Now that seems a little thick. It needs to be a softer mix than that. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of milk. So just to add that in. It may need more, it may need less. We'll mix it until we have a lovely soft mixture. Right, I think that'll do. That's a lovely mixture. Just how I want it. Right, I'm going to scrape round the bowl just to get the rest of the mixture in, and we're away. But that's a lovely mix. Just look at that. That's lovely. Smooth as silk and still has some body, which is good. It's how we want it. So there we are, that's the mixture done. Right, I'm now going to fill the bun cases with a tablespoon of mixture in each bun case. And that should rise and give us a decent sized bun. So here we go. That's better. There we are, that's about the best I can do with that mixture. Right, we're going to bake them in the oven now at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Right, here we go in the oven. I'll set the timer for 15. We'll have a look at 15. There we are. So we'll have a look. They may be ready. They may just need a little bit more. But we'll have a peep at 15 minutes. Right, here we go. Should be nicely browned by now. Oh, there we are. That's lovely. Right, here we are. the finished product, well, almost finished. I'm leaving them to cool before I do the icing. Okay, here we go. We're making the icing now, so it's 4 ounces of icing sugar. Now, that's the 4 ounces. 15 millilitres of cold water, and begin to mix the icing sugar. I want it reasonably stiff so it can stand on its own when you put it on the buns. Give it a good mixing just to get any lumps out, but that looks quite good to me. There we are. Right, now I'm going to ice the buns. About a teaspoon per bun. A good mix that. Just whiz it round. There we are. It's enough body to stand on its own. So just a teaspoonful. That's excellent stuff. I used to be good at icing, you know. There we are. It spreads quite well and it stands on its own, as I say, which is good news. Be a pound a time in a shop, these. I'll give that a bit more, it looks a little lonely. There we are. Right, that's the buns iced. So now I'm going to place half a cherry on every one. Last forever. There we are. Fit for any celebration, that lot.